Hey viewers, and welcome back. Today I want to take a look at installing the Flywheel. So it's important if your engine has charging coils or electronics up here in this area that you get those installed first. Ours does not, so our Flywheel is actually very easy to install. Number one, you're going to need the little woodruff key that goes into the slot on the crankshaft, like such. If it doesn't want to stay in, kind of like mine, we have the Vaseline. You can put a little wad of it in there without cutting yourself, and that will definitely hold that key in for you, just like such. Okay, so our next step is going to be to take the Flywheel, and it has a keyway machined in it. You can definitely see that, and you're simply going to, without knocking the key out of position, set that guy down on there like such. Next we will put the special flange nut on, and then I just hold the Flywheel with my bare hand and I run it down with an impact. There you got it. That was pretty easy. I'm sure there's a torque spec. I have never torqued one. They are very, very difficult to hold. And then, you know, do it with a torque wrench. I suppose you could wedge something in with the studs or something like that. I've never had a problem with it. When you whack them on with the Milwaukee, the way that we did, they are rather difficult to remove. So not too terribly worried about it. That is the installation of Flywheel. Thanks for watching.